What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach with Dream Media out here from Tim from Samsung, and we have another amazing day here at CEDIA 2024. Today, you want to give them a lowdown on what we're going to be checking out? We're talking about super-sized screens, 98-inch screens in the back. Now, these screens aren't only big, but they're bright, and they bring the experience that you want when you want to have that theater at home. So here right behind us, we have one of our everyday drivers. This is our QN90D, refreshed to 2024 to deliver the mini LED experience in the 98-inch screen size format. But if you want to go even better, we do have our 8K model, the QN990C, featuring mini LED technology in an 8K resolution. Absolutely incredible. You can see how big it is, just as he's trying to stretch his wingspan across the whole screen. Now, one of the coolest things that we do here at Samsung, because we understand that when you go big, your pixels start to stretch. When your pixels start to stretch, you lose that. You're unhappy. You're unhappy. You lose that detail. So we're featuring an all-new mode called the Supersize Picture Enhancer. It's an AI upscaling algorithm on all of our 98-inch displays, including our Crystal UHD that we don't have featured here. But what it's designed to do is preserve the same clarity that you get on a 65-inch display, even though you're watching on a 98-inch display. So even though we're going big, we're not disparaging the image. You're keeping that clarity, you're keeping that incredible contrast from the mini LED, and of course that quantum dot color that everyone loves from Samsung. Oh yeah, % color volume. Wow. Well, these things are absolutely stunning. What's this super-sized screen enhancer we have over here? So that was the feature I was referring to that does the AI upscale enhancements. But we have a fun little dial that allows you to actually change the screen size so you can see just how big something like a 65-inch in comparison to a 98-inch. So this is what a lot of you guys probably currently have at home. 65, 75, 98? It's a big step up, guys. We're getting close to projection status now, but on a QLED, Neo QLED. Neo QLED, and that's important because while we love projectors, we'll talk about the premiere coming up here, we got to understand that projectors, they require a controlled lighting environment. Yes. TVs, you can put this in your living room, leave the window open, let the anti-reflection do the work, and let the Neo QLEDs bring out that contrast. So a TV, not only can it give you a very affordable price point, but an incredible big screen experience, just like projectors. If you guys are interested in learning more about Samsung TVs or anything audio video related, reach out today for a free video consultation. That's all we got for you today here in the Samsung booth at CEDIA 2024. Stay tuned to the channel for more exciting content coming up in future episodes. If you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach at Dream Media out here with Tim from Samsung. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.